Do you have any other old stuff? Other things. I love that. This is 15? Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Beer sign. Yeah. How much you asking? How much you asking for it?
20 bucks.
Does it work?
Yeah. Well, you can plug it in. It did the last time I plugged it in. Never heard of flats here, but this is my dad's. That's it. You have to have a controller with it if you're gonna sell it, babe. It's pretty messed up.
Do you have any other old stuff? Or is this it?
But I'm just getting into.
Oh, you're just pulling it out now.
Yeah. I don't actually know for sure what I have.
Yeah, I'll give the 20 for it.
If you guys the tattoo thing, I'll do it. Oh, thank you.
Yeah. It's interesting. Morning.
Snagging those bats, man.
Okay, no problem. How much you have in the Xbox?
75.
The Xbox One S was only going for about 75 to 100 bucks. I decided to pass. These Girl Scout cookies are dangerous.
Ain't that the pure dangerous?
Every time I see them, I gotta run and hide because I'll end up buying a ton of them.
They're like addictive.
Yeah.
You know, and thank God it's only once a year.
Yeah. You're right. How much is the hair dye?
Buck.
Buck. Okay. Golf clothes for sale or no?
No, they're mine.
They're yours?
They're mine.
Oh, you $1?
You got a little girl?
I do not. I have a little niece though.
How old is she?
5.
You need to get into business with her. You know, she's not your niece, she's not your daughter. This says daughter. I really want someone to have that.
If I had a daughter, I would buy it. But
you know what? It says the sweetest thing on there.
What does it say?
It's just from a mom, you know.
Oh, gotcha.
And I bought it for my daughter, except she was too short. I mean, she was too tall. So this is for like a little kid.
Oh, yeah.
To, you know, a throw for a little kid. But look what it says. It's so cute. Don't you have a sister that has a daughter or something?
I don't. No. That's cute though.
Yeah, I know it. I know it. I love it. I want someone to have it so they can. Some little kid can say, "Oh, my mom loves me."
I'm sure someone's gonna come by today. You'll be able to find someone for that. So, thank you for the
you're welcome.
for the deal. How are you doing today? You been busy so far?
I wouldn't say busy.
No.
Well, my job is to sit out here whether we sell everything or nothing.
Sounds like someone got put to work, huh? These steel tip?
What's that?
These steel tip?
I don't know. You can probably feel it. They might be.
I don't think so.
Those are old back when I was in, man.
Yeah.
The last.
Yeah, I don't think they are.
But I just no, they're not. But I just. They're good boots if you're the size.
9.5. How much are the shoes?
What do you think? $2?
Okay. Do $2. $2. What is this? I think. I love that.
That gets thrown in there.
Okay.
Just take it. I'm not trying to make $1 million. I'm just trying to get rid of stuff.
I hear you, man. What are these clothes here?
These are all bigger.
Are they just?
I lost about 100 pounds.
Oh, congrats, man.
I need to lose about 50 more, but.
Well, you look great, man, right now. So.
I got more to go. But...
How's it feel losing all that weight? Amazing. Probably sleep a lot better. You're probably able to move around a lot more.
Everything, man. Everything.
Yeah. Quality of life is better. Yeah. There you go, sir.
All right.
Thank you. Appreciate it, man. What we got down here? Dark shadows.
I've never had to do that. And I can't even drive my car.
Does the camera work?
Yes, it does.
Has power cord.
community sells Fox 13. They're committed to making the community affordable and say the increases are primarily due to operating costs.
Do you know what? Is that like bubbled up in there? Or is it just something on the screen?
I don't know, to be honest.
Gotcha.
Here, do you want to turn it on?
Yeah, maybe the screen might be a little messed up. Okay. I think I'll pass on it though. Thank you though. I appreciate letting me try it out. What's the backstory in the clock?
It was my mother's clock. It is a cuckoo clock. It does work. The tag is on it. I just don't know how she string these pineapples. I don't understand how that works or anything, but
any idea what like year that might be from?
it's not antique or anything. It's when she probably bought it in the 90s.
Yeah. Of course. It's interesting. You know, come across a lot of cuckoo clocks at garage sales usually.
Future Rod here. This is where I messed up. If you guys don't know, Sony handheld cameras can bring really good money. This one in good working condition would have brought anywhere from 150 to like 225 bucks. I should have picked up that camera because I still could have got anywhere from $50 to $75 to just sound it for parts. As soon as I left this yard sale, all I could think about was that I passed up on that cuckoo clock for 25 bucks, and my gut was telling me I should have picked it up. So we're gonna go back, so stay tuned.
Good morning. I didn't see you guys. You guys are like hidden back here in the...
Well, the rain.
Ah, see? Yeah.
We were afraid to do much. We're like, should we
Yeah.
drag it out? Should we put it in here?
You got me, so... Probably the best idea, though, to be honest with you.
Well, earlier they were saying, you know, it was going to be storming this morning.
Yeah. Well, it did rain a little bit earlier, because I got up. I was up like 5 o'clock this morning. I was like, oh, no, it's raining out. I don't know if I can go yard sailing.
Yeah.
CDs. Oh, Guns N' Roses. It's a classic. Oh, man, you get a lot.
$1 each.
$1
Buy
each.
10, get 3 for free.
You just want stuff gone, it sounds like.
Yes.
Ozzy. What is this one? Not familiar with this. Prince of Darkness. Oh, that's cool. Oh, actually, wasn't there some other
There may be
Black
some,
Sabbath?
Yeah, so there should be some other Aussie Black Sabbath.
Yeah, I'll pick up some.
That one. You're smart. Make sure they're in there.
Yeah.
They should be. I've gone through them.
I,
after a while, you're like, did I look at all of those?
Well, what happens is people like, you know, they change back in the day, you change it, and then you're like, oh, I'll just pop in this, I'll swap it out later on, then you forget, and then...
Both of us hated that.
Yeah.
You take it out of one, you pull one out, you put it in that one, you're like, I'll fix it later. Yeah, no. And then you end up with...
You grab the Aussie CD and hit the card, you shove it in, and it's very Manilow.
Yeah. Like, what is...
He's a really good entertainer.
What is going on? So these were 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And then 10 more, so 18.
Do 15? Thank you.
Thank you.
Back again. Oh, you dropped the price on it? 15 bucks? Ah. I think I'll buy it.
$5 to take a picture.
$5 take, but then I'll just not take the picture, just buy that. All right. So, oh, sorry. Drop the price. It must saw me coming a mile away, right? Like, oh, he's back again.
Oh, he's back again.
Drop the price. We'll get him. We'll get him this time. It's just a cool piece. So.
It is cool. I love that clock.
Yeah. All right, thank you guys.
Okay, you can come right back.
I don't know what I bought, but for 15 bucks, I don't think I'm gonna lose money. Now I gotta make sure I don't break this thing. The toy chest is cool.
Yeah, that's an old one.
I know, I can tell.
You don't see those much anymore.
Yeah, it's handmade.
You got change for 10?
I think
Good morning, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good.
So stay inside. There's still glass out there.
How much are your plushies?
$1 each.
$1 each, huh? Well, this looks like the car from National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation.
Those are my daughter's. We told her we'd put them out here, so if she sold any of them, she can save up for another toy.
That's funny. All right, I'll get these 3.
Okay. Sounds good.
This must be one of your guys, huh? That's an old one.
Yeah, I think that was my wife's.
As I say.
Yep.
Saved it. I know. I was like, saved it and passed it down over the years, huh?
Appreciate it.
Yep. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Hello, hello.
What is this?
It's like some type of.
Oh, skin. It's a skin caliper. Oh, that's old.
Those are calipers.
Yeah.
Yeah, and a sphygmometer. I thought somebody that was into medical stuff might be interested.
Yeah. Do you know the age on them? 50s, 60s?
I used to teach back in the 90s. They're older than that, obviously.
Yeah, they look older than that. They look from maybe the 70s. What are you asking on them?
Make an offer.
9 skin full caliper. Interesting.
Well, that's why I said I'm putting that out.
Yeah.
It's just sitting around.
Future out here. My battery died at this moment, so before I can actually make an offer, her son went to look them up online, and they told me they went $120 a piece for these. So that was a hard pass for me.
Good morning.
Hello. Good morning.
Is this 15 for that?
On what?
This says 15?
Yeah.
Is that for the whole sit? Okay. Do you have games and stuff for it too? No. I'll take it.
I don't know if it needs a software update.
Oh, is it acted up?
Yeah, it's acted up. That's why I'll give you that before you even.
Gotcha.
That's why its price is low.
Yeah. Does the pad work? Do you know?
Everything works. Everything works. It's just it froze, and I guess it needs a software update or something. I have no idea. I didn't even take the time to even.
Gotcha. Does it still take discs and stuff?
Everything's fine.
Everything else is fine on it. Would you 10 on it?
I do.
Okay. Worst case scenario, I can use the power cords and other stuff. You know what I mean? So, thank you, man.
Right,
do you have a bag?
Yeah, I'll get one.
All right.
Hey, y'all are supposed to be selling, not
Not.
playing. Oh, he's still, you push his leg. His back leg. Or wait, it's got the little leg.
Front leg. Oh, yeah. That's cool. Oh my God, Jurassic Park. That's...
You see their little sign? I want to go to Disney, buy my toy.
Alright, I'm definitely gonna buy this one then. That's so cool. I used to have, I mean, I know this is a newer one, but I used to have these as a kid. If you got it.
I do.
Ah, perfect. I bet 2 5 on it.
That's another great day of picking. Community yard sale season is back, and I love every minute of it. But I need your guys' help. I know nothing about cuckoo clocks. So if you guys know anything about the cuckoo clock, let me know in the comments down below. It is a Black Forest cuckoo clock from the early 90s. It does have the German characters on it. I couldn't find this model anywhere. I've seen pieces like this go for anywhere from $80 to like $300-400. So if you guys have any tips or tricks, please let me know in the comments down below. Unfortunately, that Nintendo Wii I bought doesn't work properly, so I am selling it for parts, which you get anywhere from like 40 to 50 bucks for it. But that's one thing a lot of people missed out on. When you are buying video game consoles at garage sales, if they don't work, you can part them out. What I normally do, throw them in a giant tub, and then wait till I get multiple systems and put them in a big lot on eBay. What I found in the past that people that do repair systems like to buy them in bulk because it saves them money on shipping, and it's a better deal for them. This Wednesday night, me and Mrs. Punchin are doing a Whatnot. We are going to give back to each and every one of you guys. We just hit 4,000 followers on Whatnot. So we're going to do an all-free show, 1 hour. Everything's going to be free on there. So please come check us out. I'll put the link in the description down below. If you guys aren't a member of Whatnot, you get 15 bucks just for signing up. You can use that in a future auction for me or someone else. It doesn't really matter. But please make sure you guys do come check it out. We're giving everything away for free. So just come hang out. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.